All right, we were at building Royal Oaks, building 1. We are at building 1. I just redid the section of sewer outside, put 2 new backflows in. Backflow here, clean out backflow where it Y's in and then goes out to the main. Let's see what we got. Alright, all good looking PVC. That's where it goes through the Y and comes down into the fitting we had trouble finding. It goes down there and makes its own way. This is also a 5-inch pipe, so it looks really good, really. It did knock some of that stuff off. Not all of it though. Now you're out. I'm about 60 foot from the building. It's out just about towards the main. Where it's at now is over 12 feet deep. Which I could not reach with our machine. It's a small little belly out there. That should be fine. And another one comes up. Somebody's running a lot of water right now too. About 80 feet about. So that's a pretty good ways out. I think it's hard to tell because I've been underwater, but it felt like it dropped. I think we're in the main. I'm pretty sure we're in the main. But other than that, everything's flowing good on building 1. Shouldn't really have no more issues out of it, sewer-wise outside. So, there we go.